Far too many people today struggle with unreliable or outdated exercise equipment without even realizing how much it slows down their fitness progress. A wobbly frame, uneven resistance, or noisy flywheel doesn't just make your workouts uncomfortable, it silently reduces your motivation over time. Upgrading your indoor cycling setup can upgrade your results in ways you never expected. Modern exercise bikes go far beyond simple pedaling. They offer smooth magnetic resistance for a natural outdoor feel, whisper quiet belt drive systems that won't disturb your home, fully guided fitness programs that keep you consistent and stable, heavy-duty frames that support real performance improvements. And before we dive deeper into each bike, make sure to use our links in the description because they'll take you straight to the latest discounts, updated Amazon prices, and any ongoing deals available right now. Let's jump into the top exercise bikes transforming home workouts in 2025. We begin with one of the most trusted and best-selling models on Amazon, the Yosuda exercise bike. This bike has earned a reputation for delivering outstanding stability and comfort even during long or intense sessions. With a durable 300-pound weight capacity, a whisper-quiet magnetic system, and a smooth belt drive mechanism, it keeps noise levels almost non-existent. You can ride early in the morning, late at night, or during family downtime without bothering anyone. Yosuda takes things further by offering an exclusive fitness app packed with guided lessons for weight loss, endurance training, and cardio improvement. Beginners and intermediate riders love the built-in tablet holder, which allows you to follow workout videos, stream entertainment, or join live cycling classes. It's reliable, stylish, and built to last, making it a fantastic all-round choice for anyone starting or upgrading their home fitness journey. Next, we have the Merak exercise bike, a refined and slightly more modern competitor. While it also supports up to 300 pounds, Merak sets itself apart with its low-noise brake pad resistance system that offers an authentic road bike feel while still staying impressively quiet. The exclusive Merak app includes professional trainer-led routines, calorie burn tracking, live performance metrics, and progress summaries that help keep you motivated day after day. The frame is solid, the flywheel spins evenly, and the resistance feels smooth, whether you're warming up or pushing through a high-intensity ride. A convenient tablet mount lets you enjoy immersive fitness content or your favorite shows during workouts. Merak blends performance and affordability beautifully, giving you a premium ride without the premium price tag. Now we move to a powerhouse, the Pubu exercise bike. Known for its heavy-duty build and incredibly smooth pedaling experience, Pubu is a top choice for riders who want more control and more durability. This bike offers both magnetic and traditional brake pad resistance options, allowing you to customize your workout more than most competitors. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, it stands out as one of the strongest and most stable bikes in this category. The silent belt drive technology delivers a smooth, seamless ride, even during long cardio sessions. The upgraded comfort seat makes longer rides easier, and the seat and handlebar adjustability ensures a perfect fit for multiple users. For homes with several riders, or anyone wanting commercial gym strength without the commercial gym cost, Pubu is an excellent pick. Then we shift gears to something uniquely comfortable. The Merak Recumbent exercise bike. This bike is designed for people who want low-impact cardio without putting strain on their joints or lower back. With its ergonomic recumbent seat, supportive backrest, and heart rate monitoring handles, it's perfect for seniors, beginners, people recovering from injuries, or anyone who prefers a relaxed but effective riding posture. The smooth magnetic resistance provides a quiet, controlled workout experience, and the built-in LCD tracks your time, distance, calories, pulse, and resistance level. Through Bluetooth connectivity, you can sync the bike to the Merak Fitness app for structured workouts, virtual cycling challenges, and daily progress tracking. Models like the S08 and S23 offer the same durability and quiet performance Merak is known for. This recumbent bike is a great choice if comfort and safety are your highest priorities. Finally, we wrap up with another highly rated magnetic stationary bike built for smoothness, precision, and long-term home use. This model supports up to 350 pounds, offering one of the strongest weight capacity designs available. Its magnetic resistance ensures a quiet and fluid pedaling motion, ideal for apartments or shared spaces. App compatibility allows you to track your workouts in detail, while the digital monitor displays your speed, time, distance, calories, and pulse. A convenient phone mount encourages you to follow along with training videos, music playlists, or motivational cycling sessions. With its comfortable seat, adjustable frame, and stable structure, this bike is perfect for longer sessions and daily fitness routines. It delivers remarkable value for anyone ready to take their cardio training seriously. Indoor cycling remains one of the fastest, most effective ways to improve cardiovascular health, burn fat, increase stamina, and stay active, all from the comfort of home. Each of these exercise bikes brings something unique to the table. Whether it's immersive app-guided workouts, recumbent comfort, commercial-grade durability, or whisper quiet operation ideal for shared living spaces. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest Amazon discounts and updated pricing. Deals change fast, and top models often sell out during peak fitness seasons. Upgrade your home gym, stay consistent, push your limits, and enjoy a healthier lifestyle with one of these top exercise bikes available right now on Amazon.